What's up? How we doing? Now, today I'm gonna tell you we gonna talk about dreams, and I'm not gonna talk to you like that with everything else. I like talking money, so what we gonna do is put down our dream. We go give ourselves 1 hour a day. You know what I'm saying? You can give yourself 1 hour. You're on quarantine, so give yourself 1 hour a day to sit there and meditate, think about what you did today. You know what I'm saying? And when you good to give yourself 1 day, 1 hour a day, change that up into the morning time, and you will give yourself 2 hours a day. One in the morning, wake up an hour before your kids. You know, sit there, make your coffee, get your day ready. You know what I'm saying, and think about what you gonna do today. How you go plan your day. How you go sit there and make a positive contribution. You know what I'm saying? Because if you find that out and you happy about doing that, that can be your job. Because everything is online. You know, everything. Physical work is not really what's up to be no more. These little kids, y'all don't want to do nothing. Y'all started off with Facebook, and now y'all starting with everything. That's how y'all want to make money, and you can make money like that. I done seen it happen, and but you gotta have uh, focus. You gotta have, you know what I'm saying, destiny. You gotta go and achieve something. You know, just being up there for fans and just having fans is not really doing nothing. You know, the ad on revenue that's gonna come in is gonna help you, you know, but it's really still not doing nothing. You can get bigger money than that. You can get better money than that. And the first thing you need to do is, like I said, give yourself an hour in the day and an hour at night. Why? Because you gonna put down a list of what you gonna plan your day out. How you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? What you gonna do? That way, you know what I'm saying, you can go about your day and see if you go stay on that schedule. Rich people have a schedule, you know. So see if you can stay on that schedule. And then at the end of the day, you look and see, you know what I'm saying, did you do everything on that schedule? Then I'm gonna give you a script, you know, to tell yourself what you know what I'm saying, to fill out every day. Then once you do that, you know what I'm saying, you go make a list, you know. But before we get into all that, get these done first. Try to get you at least a week, 1 week, saying everything you go do. I'm gonna have the scripts down there. So you know what I'm saying, fill out the script every day. And give yourself an hour in the daytime, give yourself an hour at night. Shh. You know what I'm saying? And prosper. Move forward. Do something. You know, you in the house ain't doing nothing. I'm showing you how to get money. You ain't got nothing but time on your hands. You know, so start getting money. You don't need no job out there. You can get a job right here. You can get a job sitting at your house doing what you doing what you love doing. You know, but it comes down to figuring out what you love doing. What is your focus? You know, then you can build on that. Even if you have to go out there and be an intern for somebody, you learning your craft. You know, you doing this for him for free, but in return, you learning how to do that. So you can start doing that because that's what you want to do. Not that you just working here from him for free and you just doing this for nothing. No, you doing that for something. You know, at the back of your mind, you don't care if he hire you or not. You want to get the practice. You want to get the experience. You know, and that's how you think of things. You don't just sit there and be like, I'm trying to get over on somebody or they trying to get over on me. It ain't like that. You know, life ain't like that. Life gives you what you give to it. You know, and that's all it is. So learn how you supposed to live and how you supposed to give, and it's go give back. Like they say, it comes back 10 times, tenfold. You know what I'm saying? It means something. It don't mean what you think it means, but it means something. You know, you gotta figure out what that means in your life. Till then, it's your boy Boss. I'm out.